Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. My sign just died. My LED sign just died in the background. Don't know if y'all caught that, but I'm not going to edit out nothing. Ain't got time for all that. I'll charge it up after this video. Back to the video. Top 5 EDC carry items. Number 4 on the list. Number 4, in my opinion, will have to be a multi-tool. Don't leave home without it. Okay? Gotta have it. This is the Gerber Armbar Slim Drive. Okay? It's got a ratchet or a driver, reversible bit, Phillips, flathead, knife on the other end. Nice and sharp. Nice and sharp. Gerber. What kind of blade is it? Sheep's foot. Sheep's foot. Nice little sheepy foot. And then ladder lock. Kind of hard to get with gloves. And then it has a bottle opener. So not too many multi-tools. But you got your bottle opener, knife, and your ratchet. So 4. Pocket clip, 5. Lanyard haul, 6. So depending on how you call it, it's a 3-in-1 or a 6-in-1. But there you go. Don't want to waste too much of your time. Number 4 item on the top 5 multi-tool. What do you think? I'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and